Hi everyone, this is JT with Horn Hippie Media coming at you with a quick Photoshop tutorial. I know this is not a program that you usually see me give a tutorial on, but this is just a really quick fix for getting rid of one color in an image. So in this case, I'm trying to simplify this logo in order to use it in Final Cut Pro, and I have to remove the white. So what we're going to do is go into this panel here and have our background layer selected and just hit Command J, and that duplicates the layer, and then we can just click this little eyeball icon here to disappear the background layer. And I like to keep the background layer there always just for just in case something messes up down the chain. So then you're going to go up here to select and then scroll down to color range. Once you have color range, it should show sampled colors and give you this little eyedropper on the image. So I'm going to go ahead and just select white, and then let's click OK. So now it has all the white selected, so I want to remove it. And the only thing I'm going to do is just hit delete. Boom. And there you have it. Then you can export it, do whatever you want with it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, drop a comment below. Let me know what you want to see me do next. See you guys soon. Bye.